There we go.
Oh, wow. That looks great.
Come on, nice. All right, cool. This one may have to clean a little bit more.
Yeah.
I want to just dry it, but you see how the inside is in there?
Yeah, I noticed that. Is that something that that solution?
Yeah, there's some corrosion. So I'll give you a brush, and then you can kind of.
Oh, okay.
And then we'll wash it again.
Oh, okay, cool. Okay, so now the fun starts, trying to figure out where all of the bolts and these oil seals go. I needed quite a few. Thankfully, they were all in stock, because I guess most of them are interchangeable with other engines, but anyway.
Just a little bit, because you want it.
Cool.
All right.
So just for posterity, this is the part number for this O-ring. And then this guy goes right here. That was, oh, this one.
So you see this? This flat spot, there's one here and one here. That's what runs the oil pump. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So when you put this in, you want to make sure this is the two flat spots. See how you can spin it? There you go.
There we go.
Cool.
Onto the water pump. Got all the bolts here. All right. Looks good?
Yep. Now you get your genuine Acura parts, if you can find it. I just throw it in like that. I don't know if I should put anything on it. Yeah, I should.
Like
because it might fall on me. So like this.
that Vaseline shit?
Yeah.
Oh, here we go.
You don't want to put silicone on this either.
Very interesting stuff here.
So you use what to hold the?
This Molly coat or petroleum jelly.
Yeah, some kind of grease, white grease or something, or not white grease, but a clear type silicone grease.
Right.
That's just to hold the gasket in place so it doesn't fall on.
As we're installing.
As you're installing it.
Okay.
Exactly. That's basically all it is.
Right.
You don't want to use glue, silicone on something like this because it prevents the O-ring from doing its job. This already has like a little a dowel.
Pin.
Well, when it's hollow like that, it's
Oh,
not
it's just a dowel.
Ring dowel, if
Ring
you say.
dowel,
Yeah,
okay.
ring dowel. When it's solid, then it's a
Dowel pin.
okay, yep.
Interesting. Learning new things every day. Love it. That doesn't go there. Water pump and oil pump are on. Now we've moved on to cams and rocker arms, or the rocker arm assembly.
Okay, so all of it's wiped. That. This stuff here, the Torco, it's just like a assembly lube, but it's very sticky. It's almost like a honey. And I'm just putting a film of silicone because you can put it in dry, but chances are it may not leak or may not, but I always feel comfortable putting just a nice film of silicone back there so it seals. And this is where the camshaft rides.
One down. Okay. that makes it a lot easier, doesn't it?
So
Cool.
now,
All torqued. Okay. Pretty good progress today. Wouldn't you agree, Felix?
sure.
Kind of at a long block, right? So I've been getting a lot of questions, comments, if you will. I do still have my Acura Legend, the same one, in fact, from my walk around video from, geez, a few years ago now. The car is all apart right now. The body is at a body shop waiting for paint. The engine, for a couple of different reasons, have decided to tear it all down and rebuild it, which has been a major undertaking due in large part to parts availability, which is null and void, apparently. But guess how much for this little bullshit? $373 and some change. So we will not be doing that. But even if I wanted to do that, there was only one available. Not one in stock, just one available. It's cool to be back. And I hope you guys enjoy. I'm still trying to find my groove as far as like making videos. Yeah, I guess that's all I got for you guys. I'll see you in the next one.